Welcome to Alpha Review, the place where we dissect the absolute peaks of automotive engineering and, occasionally, the sheer madness of what if. Today, we aren't just looking at a vehicle, we are looking at a statement. We are looking at a rolling fortress that defies the laws of conventional logistics and perhaps the very concept of a tight U-turn. This is the Toyota Thunderbeast 20-wheeler. A custom-built, overland expedition behemoth that looks like it was designed to commute through an apocalypse and still make it to a 5-star hotel by dinner. When you first lay eyes on this machine, your brain struggles to categorize it. Is it a truck? Is it a bus? Is it a land yacht? The answer is a resounding yes to all of the above. Bathed in a crisp, surgical white finish, the Thunderbeast stands as a monolith of utility and luxury. The sheer scale of the exterior is intimidating. We're talking about a multi-axle configuration that utilizes 10 wheels on each side, totaling 20 points of contact with the earth. This isn't just for show, it's about weight distribution for a vehicle that carries its own ecosystem on its back. Starting at the front, the fascia maintains that iconic Toyota DNA, but it's been injected with a heavy dose of "don't mess with me." The massive Toyota lettering across the grille is a beacon of reliability, even if the rest of the truck is anything but standard. Above the windshield sits a massive LED light bar, capable of turning the darkest midnight in the Sahara into a sunny afternoon. The hood is vented, suggesting a power plant underneath that needs to breathe, likely a high-torque turbo diesel designed to pull this massive frame through sand, mud, or snow without breaking a sweat. As we move along the side, the complexity of the engineering becomes apparent. The body is segmented into various utility lockers and reinforced panels. Massive off-road tires, wrapped around blacked-out heavy-duty rims, dominate the lower profile. Above the Walking around to the rear, the Thunderbeast continues to impress with its sheer verticality. A massive spare tire is mounted on a heavy-duty swing arm, and integrated ladders provide access to the roof rack. The rear lighting is sleek and modern, a sharp contrast to the rugged, industrial tow hooks and armor plating that protect the undercarriage. Every inch of the exterior screams durability. It's a tank in a tuxedo, ready for the harshest environments on the planet. But as impressive as the exterior is, the true magic happens when you step inside. If the outside is a fortress, the inside is a sanctuary. As we transition into the interior, you are immediately struck by the contrast. The rugged, white metal of the exterior gives way to a warm, sophisticated palette of walnut wood, cream leather, and brushed steel. This isn't just a camper, this is a luxury apartment that happens to have 20 wheels. The layout is a masterclass in space management. Despite the narrow constraints of a vehicle body, the interior feels airy and expansive. To one side, we have a deep, plush leather sofa in a rich tan finish. It's the kind of seating you'd expect in a high-end lounge, perfect for relaxing after a day of navigating through mountain passes. Directly across from the lounge area is the galley, and calling it a kitchenette would be an insult. We have a full induction cooktop, a deep stainless steel sink with a modern faucet, and a large refrigerator tucked neatly under the counter. The cabinetry is finished in a beautiful dark wood grain, featuring soft close latches that ensure nothing flies open when you're trekking over uneven terrain. The lighting is where the atmosphere truly comes alive. Recessed LED strips run along the ceiling and under the cabinets, providing a warm, indirect glow that complements the natural light coming through the panoramic side windows. These windows are equipped with high-quality blinds, allowing for total privacy when you found that perf. The hallway leads back to a private bathroom and sleeping quarters, maintaining the same high-level finish of wood and stone. There is a sense of silence in here that is eerie. The insulation is so thick that the chaos of the outside world simply disappears. You could be in the middle of a sandstorm or a crowded city, and inside the Thunderbeast, it's just peace and quiet. What makes the Thunderbeast truly special isn't just the leather or the wood, it's the philosophy behind it. Most expedition vehicles force you to choose between capability and comfort. If you want to go deep into the wilderness, you usually end up sleeping in a tent or a cramped, utilitarian box. If you want luxury, you're usually restricted to paved roads and RV parks. The Thunderbeast refuses to accept that compromise. It's built for the person who wants to see the most remote corners of the globe but refuses to give up their morning espresso or a comfortable night's sleep.